Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ikadina Agustia from TBI class, and I want to tell a story. It's called Pinocchio. In the past, there was a puppeteer whose name was Geppetto. He was eager to have a son very much, but his wife passed away several years ago. One day, he got an idea to make a puppet in order to be lonely again. Not to be only lonely again, sorry. He made a puppet all day long. Finally, in the morning, he had finished his work and he named the puppet Pinocchio. Son, son, he felt lonely again since Pinocchio couldn't walk or talk by itself. One night, Geppetto prayed to God to become a real boy. He always talked in his mind in his dream. The next morning, he was surprised that Pinocchio was alive. He taught Pinocchio how to walk, how to read, how to speak, and to do another thing as human. He then studied at elementary school. One day, Pinocchio left one day Pinocchio felt bored and it made him go home late. When Pinocchio finally came home, Geppetto asked him. He said that he was in school but he wasn't easily. Pinocchio nose grew longer and longer and it meant that Pinocchio had lied. The next morning, Pinocchio was kidnapped by the owner of the circus. Pinocchio's son became a slave for the circus. He was so famous because he was a puppet which could talk. Geppetto worried about him because Pinocchio had not been going home for almost 2 days. He tried to find Pinocchio anywhere, but he found nothing. When he searched for him on the sea, a big wave smashed him. He was then in the whale's stomach when he awoke. He couldn't find a way to go out. On the other side, Pinocchio finally could escape out from the circus. He came home, but nobody was there. Later on, he searched Geppetto in the sea. He had the same accident as Geppetto, and he met Geppetto in the whale's snowplant. Both of them got out of both of them get out of its stomach by making a fire. In the end of the story, they went home together and lived happily ever after. Moral of the story is do not ever lie to your parents or everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.